Well, my car's way back there, and this time I'm actually going to try to make the trip plumb back there on my feet, and hopefully the camera won't run out. I want to take the same exact trail that I took with the car. Tall grass. Really, really tall grass. It's like above my waist. Some of it comes up to my shoulders. Now that right there is about up to my eyes. Got my little trail cut out. You can sort of see my car a little bit, but the tree's blocking it. You know, I forget taking the long way. Well, the way I went plumb around there, close to the fence, came back around, went plumb back there, then went over there, went back to that fence way back there, and came back and got stuck. Get all that crap, man. I'm just gonna walk right across this junk if I can. Hopefully no snake will bite me. There's actually a pond right over there. That's where all this is all muddy. It's lower than that land over there, and sort of just drains off over here. Sometimes I get fishies where I dig. Oh, and there's my car. It'll probably start, but I can guarantee you 100% it won't move nowhere. Let's see if this baby will start. Look, barely stuck. Dang Ford. Ain't as bad as last time. Yeah, that water hose actually got hung on the back of my car when I took off, and I didn't know it. I got stuck. Where's it? I got stuck about 10 feet in front of that tree, so about right there where that little bush is over there is where I got stuck last time. Sunk it plumb up to the freaking transmission. See if this thing will start. Hey. Pump edge. Pump, 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 pump. Right, this forward. Beep, beep, beep. No oil. Charge. Oh, it started getting out. That's sweet. Well, I guess I'll make another video to inform you when I get out of the hole. Bye bye.